I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 3 Create Cumulative Movies. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. I can do all my IIT Pearson courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First we will go to the my IIT Pearson and then go to the assignments, and then we will click on Excel chapter 3 Greater Cumulative Movie. Simply click on start this. Okay, then we will download this file. Okay, we will download this file. Simply click on download material, click on okay, download all files. We will go open Word file and then Excel file. Okay, enable editing, and then we will increase the font size of this Word file. Okay, we will for a proper view we will increase font size. Okay, you can see title of assignment is XP25 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movie. Here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movie. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, simply in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, I am opening this file. I have downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Simply click on enable editing. Okay, now question number 2 is that you can see question number 2. You want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes to the monthly movie downloads. Okay, select the okay, you can read this first and then I will do this question right now. Select the range A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Okay, first we will select these two ranges, A5 to A10 and F5 to F10. Okay, press select first range and then go to the Excel workbook, enter this range in the range area, press Ctrl and then select second range F5 to F10. Okay, press Ctrl and select second range F5 to F10. Okay, both ranges are selected. Now we will create a pie chart and move the chart to new sheet name April pie chart. We will go to the insert tab in the charts group, click on charts, recommended chart button, click on all charts button, then go to the pie chart. Simply click on pie chart and then click on OK. Pie chart will be inserted. Now move it to a chart sheet named April pie chart. We will click on the location. We will go to the location group, click on move chart button, click on new sheet. New sheet is April pie chart. Okay, then click on OK. Question number 3 is that change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre. Okay, we will read this. I have highlighted this question. Now the pie chart needs a descriptive title that is easy to read. Change the chart title to April 2027 streaming by genre. Apply bold 18-point font size and black text 1 font color. Okay, Simply we will copy this title April 2027 streaming by genre. Click on the chart title. Okay, we will remove this and then we will add a chart title. The new chart title is that April 2027 streaming by genre. Streaming by genre. Okay, now apply bold 18-point font size. Go to the home tab. In the font group, click on bold button. We will select this title. Okay, click on font button. Go to the font size group. Click on 18 font size. Okay, now then apply black text font color. Go to the home tab. In the font group, click on font color button. Then we will apply black text font color. Question number 4 is that I have done 3 questions right now. Now question number 4 is that, okay, please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, then contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. Percentage and categories data label will provide identification information to the pie chart. Okay, to the pie chart. Add data label in the inside and position. Okay, in the select the category name and percentage labels. Remove the value data label and the legend. Apply 14-point font size, bold and black text font color to the data label. First point is that add data label in the inside and position. Go to the Excel workbook, click on the chart element. Okay, go to the data label, click on inside and position. Okay, then select the category name and percentage label. Okay, we will go to the chart element, go to the more data format chart axis. Okay, select categories name and percentage data label. Okay, and percentage, and remove the value. Okay, remove the value data labels and the legend. Apply 14-point font size and the legend. Remove the value from the data labels, formatted data labels. Okay, we remove this legend and then click on legend. Apply the legends. And apply 14-point font size, bold and black text font color to the data label. Apply 14 font size. Go to the home tab in the font group. Go to the font size and then apply 14 font size. Okay, go to the font color and then apply black text font color button. Okay. The next question is that question number 5. Question number 5 is that, okay, first I will read this question, then I will apply on my Excel workbook. Focus on my PC screen, please. Okay, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description. Contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You want to focus on the comedy movies by exploding it and changing its fill color. Okay, explode the comedy slice by 7% and apply dark red fill color. Okay, we will select a comedy slice first. Where is comedy slice? We will select comedy slice. Okay, then go to the format data points. Okay, we will explode this comedy slice 7%. Okay, then apply dark red fill color. Okay, apply dark red fill color. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on fill color button, then apply dark red fill color on this slide. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. I have done question number 6. I have done 5 questions right now. Question number 6 is that, okay, a best practice is to include all tags to accessibility compliance. Okay, add all tags Okay, at all text, the pie chart shows percentage by genre for April 2027. Right click on this chart, click on add all text, and then we will tap all text in this box. The pie chart shows percentage by genre. We will copy and then paste here, or we will simply tap here. The pie chart shows percentage by genre. Shows percentage by genre. One second. One second, please. Okay, the pie chart shows percentage by genre. For April 2027 by genre for April 2027. Okay, now close the format chart area task pane. Okay, we will copy and simply paste in this box. Okay, close the format. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 7. Next, okay, question number 7 is that next we want to create a combo chart to depict the monthly totals and percentage by category. Display the data sheets, select the range F5 to A10 and F5 to F10, and then create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Basically in this question we will go to the data sheet. Okay, go to the Excel workbook and then click on data sheet. Now we will first this two ranges is that select the ranges A5 to A10 and F5 to A5 to A10, F5 to G10, and then we will select the second ranges F5 to G10, press Ctrl and then select second range. Then we will create a cluster column line on secondary axis combo chart. Okay, we will go to the insert tab, go to the charts group, and then go to the all charts line on secondary axis combo chart. We'll go to the combo charts line on secondary axis combo chart, cluster column line on secondary combo chart is here. Click on OK. Now the next question is that question number 8. I have done 8 questions so far of this project, this assignment. Now moving on question number 8. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Change the height of to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. First point is that cut the chart and paste into cell A13. Moving on Excel workbook, simply we will select this chart, go to the home tab in the charts layout, go to the home tab. In the clipboard group we will cut this chart and then we will paste into cell A13. Okay, Ctrl plus V for paste. Change the height to 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches. Click on chart, go to the format but tab in the size button, size group. Okay, we will set height 3.3 inches, 3.5 inches and the width to 6 inches of the chart. Width to 6 inches of the chart. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 9. Question number 9 is that I have done 8 questions right now. Question number 9 is that change the combo chart title to April 2027 streaming, apply black text one font color to the chart title. Okay, basically in this question we will add a chart title. The chart title is April 2027 streaming is given in this question. We will copy this and then simply go to the chart title and then we will paste this in chart title, or we will type this title in chart title, and then we will apply black text one font color to the chart title. Okay, first point is that change the combo chart title to the April 2027 streaming. We will go to the Excel workbook, click on the combo chart title, and then we will tap here April 2027 streaming. Okay, streaming, and apply black text one font color to the chart title. We will select this chart title and then apply black text one font color on this chart title. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on okay black text one font color on the chart title. Now moving on, next question is question number 10. I have done 9 questions of this project so far. Question number 10 is that axis title will help distinguish the number and percentage of downloads. Add a primary value, okay, add a primary value axis title and enter number of movies. Then add a secondary value axis title and enter percentage by genre. Apply black text one font color to the both value axis. First is that add a primary value axis title. We will go to the Excel workbook. Okay, go to the chart element, go to the axis title, primary. Okay, axis title, add a, go to the axis title, primary horizontal. First is primary horizontal axis, primary vertical axis is that. We will remove this and then we will add a title. The title is given in the question. You can see here number of movies, and then add a secondary value axis title. Number of movies, the primary horizontal axis. Primary value axis title, and then the percentage by genre is a secondary value axis title. Add a secondary value axis title and then enter. Go to the chart element, go to the axis title, secondary vertical axis is that. We will tap here percentage by genre, percentage by genre. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number. We will copy this and then apply black text one color on both title. Okay, go to the font group, click on black text font color button. Okay, now you can see I have done 10 questions of this project. Now moving on question number 11. Now that you added axis title for each vertical axis, you can remove the legend and format the secondary value axis to display whole percentage. Remove the legend for the combo chart, display 0 decimal places for the secondary value axis. Okay, first point is that remove the legend from the combo chart, click on, go to the chart element and then remove the legend. Okay, and then display 0 decimal places for the secondary value axis. Okay, go to the format chart axis. We will select secondary value axis, format axis. Okay, decimal place is 0. Okay, now you can see I have done 80% of this assignment, mean I have done 11 questions for remaining question, and if you want to do it for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Now I will submit this assignment. You can see I just show 11 question and I have hidden some question because if you need this complete solution and if you need this complete assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. I will, okay, now I am submitting this assignment and I will show my grades. Upload this assignment. I just show 11 questions to my student, but I did not show my complete assignment to my student. Because if you need this complete assignment or solution, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. You can see I have got 96 point out of 100. If you need complete assignment, then contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. I will do your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all assignments, simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.